we're looking to use a hook method where we're going to pull the rib cage, which is on the other side of the wheels, into the wheels on a hook by tension as we scroll through looking for the loose ones where the flat spots are on the wheels. So I've got my hook, it's facing to the right, and I've also, you can see, put a curve on this, so it needs to reach over the top of the wheels and down a little bit to hook onto that before it falls. So I'm going in above the second from the left wheel here. Bend on that. Going in here, I can feel a little spring resistance. When I've gone underneath, I'm pulling back. Already I can see this wheel here is moving, so they might be somewhere close. Or be binding. And I think they were. We're going to come out from it and come back around to see if we feel it drop. Okay, we did. I felt it drop. I'm going to leave it on 9 there. This one's binding. Whoa, okay.